what? I thought I was really doing something. I record this whole video and I guess I'm gonna have to redo this on this. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and what I was talking about the first review I did on this Annabelle's Perfect Blend Hibiscus and Aloe rinse. Y'all, I did a whole entire video thinking I was recording and wasn't recording nothing. That's okay. So as you can see here, this in fact is a rinse. It's packed full of liquid. And when I say liquid, watch this. You see how quickly that came out and how quickly it's rolling down my hand. Yes, this is a rinse. A leave-in rinse, that is, from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. This is the Hibiscus and Aloe rinse. And if you saw my previous video, then you know I just rinsed off my scalp and it's feeling all nice and fresh, but we're going to go in again with this rinse inside of this spray bottle. And since I already started before, that's why this bottle looks like this. But watch this. This is how it sprays out. And this is why I decided to apply this rinse to my scalp using the spray. So it says, apply generously to scalp as needed and do not rinse. So don't get confused. It does say rinse in the title, but you will not be rinsing this out. This rinse will stay on the scalp, help nourish, refresh, and rejuvenate the scalp in between styles, underneath braids, underneath wigs, on locks, whatever you want to use it on, whatever. And as I am applying this, I am noticing that it's not dripping anywhere. I don't see any red residue left on my hair as I'm spraying this. And as I'm rubbing it in, I'm noticing it is not oily. Not oily at all. It feels like water. And it actually feels good. I can't even explain it. Now, it may be because what I'm smelling in this is the eucalyptus. Now, eucalyptus is in this rinse, but it's close to the bottom as far as the list of ingredients, and I'll go over that in a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and add some more in. And it does look like a juice. It looks like cranberry juice or something, but don't drink it, y'all. Don't go there, because this is for external use only. You will not be drinking this. This will just go into your hair. And just so you know, when I ordered this from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, I ordered a total of 16 ounces. This comes in 8-ounce bottles, or that's the way it was packaged. And so I have 2 of these. And here go those ingredients I was talking about. It has water, hibiscus flower extract, aloe leaf juice, burdock root extract, lemon, neem. Those are both extracts. Also green tea. It also has the other list that you saw of the rest of these ingredients. So as I was saying before, you smell the eucalyptus. It's nice and refreshing. At first when I smelled it, I was like, what is that in here? It smells like, you know, a cough drop, or smells like some vapor rub, but it does not feel like that on the scalp, if you're wondering. I can feel a little bit of a tingle, or I could have just been telling my brain that because I wanted to tingle a lot, but it's not going to give you the tingle you think you would get from a mint or something like that. So it feels good on the scalp. It just feels refreshing. And once you spray it on, remember I was talking about that eucalyptus smell, you don't smell it anymore. It dissipates quickly. When I say quickly, I couldn't even smell it by the end of me putting down this spray bottle. Ain't that something? So if you think the smell is still going to be there afterwards, it's not. And I've had this spray in my hair, this rinse should I say, in my hair for the last 2 days, didn't smell anything, and it dried super fast. I mean, by the time I went to sleep, which was not too long after this, maybe a few hours, y'all see the look on my face, I look tired, it was dry. So yes, this is super refreshing. It's relaxing because while I was rubbing that into my scalp, while I was circulating the blood flow to my scalp, getting that scalp massage in, it felt good. And look at my scalp, you guys. I'm about to give you a close-up look of what my scalp looks like, but you can see it's not oily, it's not greasy. I'm going to tie my hair down just to lay down some of the flyaways of these old crochet braids. But look at my scalp. It looks so good. I love this. This was unexpected. I didn't expect for it to not tingle a lot. And I don't know why I thought more oils would be in it. It's packed full of extracts, the aloe vera juice itself, and that's it, and the eucalyptus oil. That's the only oil that I saw in this. This is worth getting because you can use this. I can use this. Everybody can use this. It doesn't matter what your hairstyle is. This is something that can be used on everything. I am pleased. Another Annabelle's Perfect Blend product. Another one. Have you used this? Did you order anything in her last sale? Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And I'll talk to you later, Roses.